Chance the Rapper. Go!
Dude, forget it. Kiss concert's canceled.
You have got to be.
Yes, hi Bay.
I'm not scared, by the way. I'm not even scared about it.
Why was he holding? Just met a boy when he could become my little problem. 'Cause he looks like
Yes. BA haven't been here JNTBE longest but hi.
Original 2017 left blue Joy-Con, like the most infamous one that always drifts.
Hacked Monkas.
Didn't MGK just switch from pop punk to grunge with his new
Yo
single?
chat.
No, he did fucking not.
Oh, bitch, I'm a big gangster. I turn around with this ball of cocaine.
Lol hacked.
Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.
Send this TikTok to your friend who.
How to shave your balls.
Yeah, I'll just have Sprite.
Please rise and we're
Highly addictive.
Alright, guys, let's get this string cheese.
My mother would kill me if she knew I was sharing my tomato sauce recipe.
Keep your secrets safe.
Sam!
Love this game.
Today we're giving out. That's a big belly woo fat.
Android niggas better leave me alone, B. I'm telling y'all niggas right now, B. Right the fuck now, B. If I hit y'all niggas with a good text, and my shit go whoop, and y'all niggas don't hit me back with a doo, we got a problem.
Subtract a lot of bags, okay? Greetings, God. Going out.
Android niggas better leave me. The bigger the figure, the better I like her, the better I like her, the better I feed her, the better I feed her, the bigger the figure, the bigger the figure, the more I'm gonna love.
Yo chat round.
Bro said he paused his game to be.
You pronounce my name as.
You probably thought we were gonna.
You can slap my ass, you can call me Susan. It is coming.
Who's the asshole who keeps drawing? Get rid of it! Alright, I'm gonna report the entire class to the headmaster. If that damn thing disappeared, never.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Get rid of it!
Heart.
Does anyone like smell like a skunk? The table's melting the nuts. There's pencils. The nuts is melting the table.
As if, bruh. As if, bruh. As if, bruh. As if, bruh. back and making it happen.
What do straight guys do when they hang out?
Money.
You know, I'd be like sucking dick and stuff.
What do you...
Banana. 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 Watermelon. 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 Strawberry. 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 Grape. 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 A little bit of lemon. A little bit of lemon. Just a tiny bit of lemon. And then, lime. Lime, 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 lime. Lime, 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 lime. Lime, lime.
If I can prove that I...
Nation or any nation. Stop being shy.
I'm not shy.
Just say that shit. I'm probably like your cute ass too. Oh, fucking.
Celebratory hands in the air.
Just say that shit. I'm probably like your cute ass too. Oh, fucking.
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye.
I'm so confident. Excuse my ego. Come go incognito. Every time you see me, it's like winning big. She got that rich girl LA vibe.
Talk it, walk it like I talk it.
Right now. Not afraid.
Do not get on here rapping.
I'm telling you, first you got to unlock this thing. EJ, come. Water.
Actual goals.
Fly Fox.
Oh shit.
Baby back, ayy. Couple racks, ayy.
Couple Grammys on.
Cocaine and drinking with your friends. Tomorrow night.
If I wake up in a house that's full of smoke up.
You're a weird motherfucker.
Just gonna take the photo right now without the makeup and see if he likes it. Ready? Oh, that felt good. Was that sexy? That's. I just took a penis in my butt.
Mentally ill people are very interesting.
That made me fucking it was literally the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life when I was a kid. It's the joke with by the campfire and he's crap. How does that part go again? I don't know. Oh, you know what the joke is? I know exactly what it is. They're by the campfire in the movie Ants. Yeah. And one guy's eating like something and he goes, "This tastes like crap." And the other guy goes, "Dude, that is crap." And I was like, he's fucking literally fucking howl laughing. Is that into a chimpanzee? I did. It was the funny shit I've ever in my life.
Scratching people's faces off.
That actually, that sounded like a legitimate.
This is the road we as a people are taking. This is the road that we are taking as a people. Ah! economically dead. This is
This is Berglund Instruments' new rad. It is a wind controller, a breath controller.
Sounds like it's
You can't hang with the big boys. Coming through with the big toys.
That's like magic.
I wish there was a socially acceptable.
Nugget, let go!
Yo, bro, who got?
Let's chat. What's your favorite JoJo quote? My favorite is.
Small water, because I'm not very smart, but it's gonna be. Yo, bro. Yo, bro, who got?
This shit creaming. I mean, creaming. Creaming.
Now you Uzi, I have a gift for you. A Rob Zombie poster.
What?
Pee-pee boys.
Not that funny. If I can prove that I never send this TikTok.
On your line?
What's 9 plus
girlfriend Ann and I went around with Jim and Bob. They both smoked pot. That's jive talk for marijuana.
So that girl goes on to get addicted to heroin after hooking up with this guy, the best-dressed drug dealer ever cast. The 50s.
But before I knew it, I was hooked. Bad.
Welcome to Watch Mojo's Top 5 Facts, the series where we reveal, you guessed it, 5 random facts about a fascinating topic. In this installment, we're gonna try to take an unbiased view of a controversial subject and count down the 5 most mind-blowing things you probably didn't know about marijuana.
Get it out! Shout at the rooftops! This is great! This is the bee's knees, item 9!
Number 5. Humans have been using pot for millennia. There's evidence from Asia that humans have been using cannabis in one form or another for at least 8,000 years. It seems it was